I'm back, guys. Just one little note. Check this out. Look at this driveway. There ain't no ruts or nothing from all them concrete trucks. Normally you see construction driveways, you know what I mean? They're sunk. I mean, they're just destroyed from all the heavy trucks and the concrete trucks. And look at this. It ain't even rut. It ain't even been graded. Look at it. That's that bank rock, or that's that creek rock underneath there. Tell you what, that does way better. So I did creek rock, and then I did road base on top of that. So normally you just have this as your base. That ain't gonna support them trucks. There's the creek rock. You guys go back to my other videos and check out me putting this road in. Do you guys self some justice? You know what I'm saying? Beautiful day. Well, fam, that's it. Well, look, here's the creek rock. Yeah, go back and check them out, because I know I'm going to have 10, 20,000 more subscribers by the time this video comes out. So, yeah, check out the other ones. Maybe I'll even throw a link in there. I probably won't, because I never remember that. I always tell you guys stuff and I never come through, just because, I don't know, I've been telling you to go to my website and get my apparel, which that website's orschellx.com or shop orschellx. But I don't know if that's up yet. Like I said, I'm not a computer guy. Don't claim to be, so I let my wife do all that, so I don't know what the status is. So possibly, if that's the deal, I'll put a link up to that too, but I'll probably forget to do that link too. But shoporschellx.com for your apparel. Till tomorrow, fam. What do you think, Idaho? We're back.
We're back.
We're back. I got him, guys.
Moving some dirt.
That's right. Beautiful out. Think we need to cut this back a little bit more, so don't get off that edge and roll it over.
You let me know what you want.
Yeah, I might have you set up there and peel this back a little bit. You can't get too deep because I got some pipes running through there. But I figure we'll just back the truck up to here, just start digging a hole there. We'll fill it, not real heavy, pull up, back in, dump, and...
Oh, we're moving that up to here?
Yeah. That was the big pile from where they dug the basement.
We can't, well, I know there's dirt piles back there we could bring up in there.
Well, that's all topsoil. Getting the road rebladed in, making it a little bit wider here. Getting our process set up here. We'll be jamming. Day's always funner when you got somebody to work with. It gets boring working by yourself. Letting that all air out like that did real good, man. That stuff tightened up real good. A lot harder, just need that sun to hit on it. Let's get her backed up. Bad deal, I'm already done for the day. Already out. No good. Stud. Well, that's gonna be some good. That'd be good packing, won't it?
It will be.
That's some good shit. You couldn't wait to get back on the sticks, could you?
I just want to go.
You'll get it.
Get back.
I'll get this bladed down. I guess when you get in, just pull up, pull towards the house, and then back it and dump it, and then I'll push it off. Right on.
How deep?
Oh shit, we got to go Just hog it out. We'll have to probably blend this whole hill in.
Alright, I'm just saying, I mean, just deep.
Well, I'd go,
I mean, I'll work across.
I guess just go 4 foot, 4 or 6 foot, and then just work back, and then we'll have to taper this whole hill out.
Alright.
That's a beautiful sight right there, ain't it? Start knocking her down. Yes, it dried out really good. I figured it would with that sun and wind. Sometimes you just gotta know when to walk away, let it do its thing. You put these lifts in there when they're wet, it ain't gonna dry. You can't keep building on top of it. Good thing is just to get the pad in, and then we'll do all the work around the sides after the fact, I guess. Supposedly the pole barn guys are coming tomorrow. I don't know. I might be pushing it. Like I said last week, it rained every day. So my schedule's backed up. Their schedule has to be backed up, you would think. Backed her a little too far in there, guys. She got stuck. Man, I tell you what, this new material we got, it's some good stuff.
Hey, that's good content.
That's right. It just needs a little nudge.
That back tires come off.
Yeah, it just needs a little nudge.
You want me to push it from the back?
No. Just set up there and we'll pull it. That's so deep I have my floorboard scraping.
This one, I was like, man, that's going to be tough.
Yeah.
Back tires fell off. I was like, that's it.
That's enough. You did your limit. It won't take much to get it out.
You want one or both?
Do both if you can. Bring her forward. That's good. Hold on. Huh? That's right. Get you a big scoop and then go back and forth on this, or actually go up and down. Yeah, keep the weight on the toes. Keep banging them chains, guys. Insane in the membrane, banging them chains. Slip and slide, take a ride. You want the best of both worlds. See what we got here, what kind of hole we got. Oh yeah, T3 chunk, let's get it. It's coming together. I just want to get this lift packed in good because that's where it was real deep. Man, fam, I gotta tell you, I love doing this type of work. This is where it's at. This is fun. I don't know why I'm always like in fifth gear, trying to get stuff done as fast as possible. And I bid this one here by the day, a day rate for 3 pieces of equipment. I don't know why I'm in such a hurry. I guess I'm in such a hurry because of it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and supposedly the pole barn guys are going to be here tomorrow. Everybody's always got to put the excavator in the bind, you know what I mean? It's always on the excavator. I guess because we do it, we get in here before everybody else. Kind of get tired of that though. Some people just ain't realistic. Like I said, we had like 5 inches of rain. They're banging me up. When you gonna be here? It's taking shape. It's just gonna take some time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Neither was this building pad. Good thing is I got Idaho here with me. It makes it a lot better. So I'm not playing musical equipment. Too much to do for one guy. When I started out, I did them all by myself. Come on down with your bad self. Look at that ground move. Come on down. There you go. It's tightening up now. This is the spot where all that water was running and laying up against this. That's why I wanted to air out yesterday, and just got to get this in right. You can't have the bottom too wet and nasty, and you put on top of it, and then it's not it never dry out hard enough. It's just still flexing, but it'll dry out. At some point, you just got to deal with what you got. I told the customer, hey, this end's still kind of wet. Let them know that that's it, but you know, they're always just pushing. Pole barn's gonna be put up tomorrow. Yeah, right. So I'm supposed to be painting that bed. I'm gonna be painting it like a charcoal gunmetal gray. I'm supposed to do it this weekend, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Too much stuff going on. Be nice to have an off-road haul truck right now. Listen to that cat work. I'll try to get more squared up next time. We're back at you live. You gotta watch being on this soft dirt on these hills with this clay in there. That sticks, that'll take your truck right over. You always gotta be looking out for the next big disaster. What's it gonna be? That's really good material right there. Real good. Told him we'll do one more up here, and then we're gonna get the excavator over here and walk everything back in. Idaho style. That's staying good and clean. Fill this low spot up right here. I think it must took a whole truckload. Keep this road cleaned up, get these ruts knocked down. Knocking them down. Come on back. There you go. Let her go. Cut her. Swack it. Yeah. You got it. Swacker style. I think we're about right there. I think we're 4 foot low yet. Beautiful day. Rain tomorrow. I just texted the guy, said, hey, put your pole barn builders up till end of next week. It's gonna rain tomorrow. That's putting us back. You can't rush the process. I don't care. I don't care who you are, what you're doing. You can't rush the process to have the right end result. It's just not possible. And with dirt work, you got to have the right conditions, that's for sure. Look, that's tightening up good. Heck, this right here is probably already 6 foot of fill at least. Got the laser out. Still that much? Another 3 foot.
Better than you stand down here like this.
Yeah. It's coming up, but man, you wouldn't think it. It doesn't look like it's that off, does it?
Wow.
It don't look like it's that off.
Is that good right there?
That's actually probably a little low. Go shoot it, see what it says. Because I shot up that front corner. Right there.
Yeah.
Let's shoot that front corner, see what it looks like.
Inside the pile?
Yeah, right in the corner there. It looks high, don't it? That's high.
Yeah.
Shoot it like right down over there. right in there somewhere. Yeah, we got some more to get in here. 20 more loads.
Yeah, every time we get up, we quit doing it because it's 20 more loads
Every time.
Yeah. Oh, it's at least 20 more.
Getting a pond down there, ain't we?
Yeah, oh, it's a hell of a pull. Have them come in and spray gunite.
Yeah, it's a done deal, yeah. Musical machines. Let's go jump on the dump truck. It's coming up. It's still 3 foot back there. Stuff's deceiving unless you put a laser on it. Idaho's just hammering away. He's got one speed. Go. Go check the hole out over here. The hole, baby. I don't need your whips and chains. You vanilla, babe?
What?
I said, are you vanilla, babe?
Vanilla, babe?
Yeah, that song. Whips and chains.
Oh, no.
You don't like whips and chains? Tell you what, guys, it was coming up on a year when I bought that thing. Had some hiccups and stuff like that, but I tell you what, it was actually a good purchase. What I ended up buying it for, what I got in it, I couldn't have bought something with the thumb, brand new motor, and as good a shape as that is for what I got in that machine. I know it was stressful, but the guy made it. He made it right. What do you do? My dad always says you gotta pay to go to school, and I paid, just like that Fecon I just bought. I bought that sight on scene. By the time you're watching this though, that sucker, I'll probably have it blown up or something. It'll be July or August. Knock another one down here. Kind of the same old. I ain't been coming to you that much. We're just nothing really new and different. We just kind of been in our groove and doing what we do here. I hate that when you just sit there and see the same clip over and over. It gets boring. That's why I try to keep mine small clips and interesting. On that note, slicking her up here, guys, before the rain comes. Be raining all day tomorrow, so we're done for today. Check the grade. I think we got a couple more foot to go yet. Coming together though. Everything's slicked off that way. There ain't no water puddles when we come back. Our borrow pit got pretty big. Look at that. Really good material. Just for the heck of it, let's take a little shot on her here. Like I said before, guys, don't be afraid to comment, interact. That's what it's all about. Still about another foot. You wouldn't think it, but he's going for it. Sealing it off. That ain't too bad. We could actually cut that down a little bit. I don't know what he's gonna do over there. He talked about a retaining wall, so we could actually drop this a little bit. Probably won't be back here till Monday with all the rain, who knows? And then I got a concrete job Friday. So, who knows? Concrete's here. I remember the first building pad Otto helped me on. I was on the 120 and there was an edge like that. He was clinching going over it. He's a lot better now. Just man and machine now. We're getting it sealed up for the rain. Like always, guys, I appreciate you. Don't be afraid to bang those buttons, bang those chains. OrschellX.com. Shop OrschellX.com. I'll put the link in the description. I better have the website up by now. This won't be out till August probably. Let's get it. Dirt fan.